Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am here to talk about the value of time. Beloved brothers and sisters, the Almighty Allah has shown by time to show us how important it is. In the first verse of Suratul Asr, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Wal Asri, by the time. That means Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala swears. From this verse, we learn that time is a special creation of Allah. And once it is gone, it never comes back. Time is like a river. You cannot touch the same water twice, because once the water flows past, it is gone forever. This teaches us that we must value every moment of our lives. So when you wait, time moves slowly. When you are late, time flies away like a bird. When you are sad, time feels painful. When you are in pain, time seems never ending. And when you are tired of waiting, time feels long and dragging. But time is not measured by clocks. It is measured by how you feel and what you experience. So dear listeners, the Almighty Allah has given us time so we can do good deeds. As we know, time is incredibly valuable. So don't just waste time, feel it. Use every moment of your life in the way Allah has instructed. Because time never stops. Like Allah swears by time, its importance cannot be measured. So we shouldn't waste our time. We should utilize our time. If we utilize our time, we can achieve our goal. We can achieve our dream. So dear brothers and sisters, may Allah grant us tawfiq to utilize our time properly. That's all for today. See you next video, inshallah.